How to redeem code in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and have a gift or redeem code you want to use, firstly open the Devil May Cry Peak of Combat game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the three-line menu button at the top left corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Redeem. In the text box that is provided on the screen, go ahead and enter your redemption code. After you are done, click on Confirm. If the redemption code is correct, your reward should be credited to your account. Make sure to enter the correct redemption code and you'll be good to go. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.